Hello everyone, welcome to Change SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP HANA short answers. Explain the difference between an inner join and an outer join in SAP HANA. Answer. In SAP HANA, an inner join returns only the rows from both tables that satisfy the join condition. An outer join, on the other hand, returns all rows from one table and matching rows from the other table. Left outer join returns all rows from the left table. Right outer join returns all rows from the right table. And full outer join returns all rows from both tables. How do you monitor and troubleshoot performance issues in SAP HANA? Answer. Performance monitoring and troubleshooting in SAP HANA can be done using tools like SAP HANA Studio, SAP Solution Manager, and third-party monitoring tools. Key performance indicators such as CPU utilization, memory consumption query, excursion time, and resource contention should be monitored regularly to identify and resolve performance issues. Can you explain the concept of code pushdown in SAP HANA? Answer. Code pushdown refers to the practice of pushing application logic, such as calculation and filtering, from the application server to the database layer, leveraging the processing power and capabilities of SAP HANA. This reduces data transfer between the application server and database, resulting in improved performance and scalability. Examples of code push-down techniques include using SQL script from complex calculation and filtering data at the database level using where calculus. What are the different types of views supported by SAP HANA? SAP HANA supports different types of views, including attributive views, analytical views, and calculation views. Attribute views are used for master data analysis, analytical views for star schema based data modeling, and calculation views of complex calculations and aggregations. How do you handle acceptance and errors in ABAP programs connecting to SAP HANA? Answer. In ABAP programs, acceptance and error can be handled using techniques such as acceptance handling using try-catch blocks, error handling using the messages statement, logging errors and acceptance using the SAP standing logging framework, using approximate error messages and error handling machinians provided by SAP HANA. How do you optimize performance in ABAP on HANA? Use OpenSQL with HANA specific features such as table, expressions, and built-in functions. Utilize advanced views such as calculation views to perform complex data transformations and aggregations. Apply approximate indexing technique to improve data access performance. Leverage code push-down technique to shift processing tasks to the database layer. Optimize database access by reducing the number of database round trips and minimizing data transfer between the application and database layers. Explain the concept of SAP HANA Live. SAP HANA Live is a predefined content package that provides real-time operational analyticals and SAP HANA. It includes a collection of pre-built analytic and calculation views, along with a rich set of business contact and dashboards. SAP HANA Live enables organizations to gain immediate insights into their operational data without extensive development efforts. Mention what is the role of the persistence layer in SAP HANA. SAP HANA as an in-memory computing engine and access the data straight away without any backup to avoid the risk of losing data in case of hardware failure or power cut off. Resistance layer comes as a saver and store all the data in the hard drive with is not vaulted. Mention what is Modeling Studio. Modeling Studio in HANA performs multi-task like declares which tables are stored in HANA. First part is to get the metadata and then schedule the data replication jobs. Manage data services to enter the data from SAP Business, Warehouse and other systems. Manage ERP instance connection. The current release do not support connecting to several ERP instance. Use data service for the modeling. Do modeling in HANA itself. Essential license for SAP Vivo data service. Explain what is transformation rules. Answer. Transformation rule is the rule specified in the advanced replication setting transition for the source table such that data is transferred during the replication process. Mention what is the advantage of STL replication. Answer. SAP ST works on trigger based approach. Such approach has no measurable performance impact in the source system. It offers filtering capability and transformation. It enables real-time data replication, replicating only related data into HANA from non-SAP and SAP source system. It is fully integrated with HANA Studios. Replication from several source systems to one HANA system is allowed. Also, from one source system to multiple HANA systems is allowed. Explain what happens if the replication is suspended for a long period of time or system outage of SLD of HANA system. Answer. If the replication is suspended for a long period of time, the size of the logging tables increases. Mention what is the role of the transition manager and session. The transition manager coordinates database transitions and keep a record of running and closed transitions. When transition is rolled back or committed, the transition manager notifies the involved storage engines about the event so they can run necessary actions. Mention what is the role of master controller job in SAP HANA. Answer. The job is arranged on damage and is responsible for creating database triggers and logging table into the source system, creating synonyms, writing new enters in admin tables in STL server when a table is replaced loaded. Explain how SQL statement is proceed. In the HANA database, each SQL statement is implemented in the refers of the transition. New session is allotted to a new transition. Name various components of SAP HANA. SAP HANA DB, SAP HANA Studio, SAP HANA Application, SAP HANA Application Cloud. Thank you for watching.